Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Main Engineers. We provide you main solutions. Today I will show you how to make bootable USB drive from Windows ISO. It is very common to use a bootable USB drive instead of a CD/DVD drive to install the operating system. Rufus is a free and open source application to create a bootable USB drive. Let me show you how you can use Rufus to create a bootable flash drive in Windows. Download Rufus from this link. The link is in the description. Since this is the portable version, no installation is required. You can open it directly after download. Please note, this tool creates USB installation media from bootable ISO. This tutorial assumes you already have the ISO file. If you don't have already, you can watch our tutorial how to download Windows ISO. Link is in the description. Make sure that the USB drive you are using is at least 8 GB and has no important data in it. If you have any, please save it first. Now let's begin the tutorial. Download the software. Once the download is completed, open the software. For the first time, it will ask you to check for the updates. Click yes or no. Once the Rufus interface is opened, plug in the USB drive and you will instantly see it in the top drop-down menu. I am going to plug my USB drive. Since I have already plugged in my USB drive, you can see here my USB drive is displayed here, Main Engineers. You can check here. This is my USB drive, Main Engineers. And the same drive is displayed here, Main Engineers. Once you see the drive, click on the select button. In the browse window, go to where you have stored your ISO file, select it and click on open button. In my case, as I wanted to create a Windows 10 bootable USB drive, I selected Windows 10 ISO. You can choose the ISO of your choice. If you want to verify the checksum of ISO file, you can click on the little tick icon next to the boot selection drop-down menu and wait for the process to be completed. Once the compute is completed, you can see MD5, SH1, SH256 checksums of the ISO file. This step is optional. Now select MBR from partition scheme drop-down menu and BIOS or UEFI from the target system drop-down menu. If you are trying to use this bootable USB drive on an old system, select Add Fixes for Old BIOSes checkbox on the Advanced Drive Properties section. Otherwise, this step is not important. If the bootable USB drive you are making is not for the old PC, this step is not required. You can also change the USB drive name using the volume label field. This is also optional. Additionally, under Advanced Format options, make sure that a Quick Format checkbox is selected. As the name implies, Quick Format formats the drive quicker by skipping the check for bad sectors. Now click on Start button. You will see a drive format warning. Click on OK button. Now Rufus will start to create a bootable USB drive. It can take a few minutes to complete the creation process. Now you have to wait for some time until the process is completed. Once completed, you will not see a completion message. You will see progress bar will turn fully green and you will see ready. That's all. Now your bootable USB drive is ready. You can close this now. If you check here, main engineers, the icon has been changed. Now this is your bootable USB drive. You can use this to format your Windows. Please note that we are not the owner of this tool. As you can see, it is pretty easy to create a bootable USB drive using Rufus.